Hugh here from Day Trade Spy. Look, I just got offline with somebody talking about our Ultimate Spy training workshop coming up in January. And they were asking, well, what specifically am I going to be teaching? So I went into a few different courses and some of the exclusive courses that we're going to be teaching that you're not going to get anywhere else. And they're wondering if they're going to learn anything they don't already know. And I said, well, probably, because if you knew what we're teaching you, you probably wouldn't be here. So I want to explain something to you. First of all, the psychology of trading, the mental aspects of trading, probably about 95, maybe even 98% of successful trading is right there between the ears. And we're going to get into that in a big way. You're not going to want to miss that. As a matter of fact, we're even going to give you some practical exercises on how to hone your discipline and patience, how to control your fear, greed, ego, and FOMO, the fear of missing out. Very key points that you need to master if you want to be successful with options trading. We're also going to talk about using the right tools. We're going to help you set up TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim, the charts. And we're going to talk about money management techniques, technical indicators, how to determine support and resistance, and chart patterns. I'm going to show you how to do the trading log, the trading plan, all of that wonderful stuff. Options trading is risky business, so you want to stack everything in your favor so that you don't make mistakes. I'm going to show you our strategies, our really cool strategies that you're going to need to know. Enhanced bread and butter strategy. And then out of the morning gate strategy. It's a pretty cool strategy, especially if you're working during the days and you don't have the opportunity to stay in front of markets and charts all day. That's really a pretty cool strategy, OMG, out of the morning gate. And my favorite, and that is the scalping strategy. Also, I'm going to tell you about how to repair trades gone bad. There's going to be no fluff, no filler. So I want you to join in on this here, the Ultimate Spy Training Workshop. Really consider it seriously, all right?